Hello everyone! In our previous video, we've talked about the app setting for a drone with 2 centrifugal nozzles. How about a drone coming with 4 centrifugal nozzles? Let's take a look at how GE Drone XC30 with 4 centrifugal nozzles works first. You see, when the aircraft head moves forward, the 2 nozzles in the rear spray. When the drone springs for the next roll, it does not turn around at all. The rear of the drone moves forward, and the 2 nozzles in the front start working. In this way, it is always the 2 nozzles in the rear of the flight route that sprays during the whole flight. Then, we can make sure as less pesticide as possible is involved in the wind field and the drone. In return, there are fewer drifts during the spraying operation. How to achieve the above by setting on App Agri Assistant? The answer is setting the aircraft heading by option Auto and choosing the double pump mode. You may ask, what is the difference between single pump mode and double pump mode? If we choose double pump mode, the 2 pumps will work by turns, just like what we showed here about XC30 with 4 centrifugal nozzles. It is usually adopted for spraying above food crops. If choose single pump mode, the 2 pumps will work simultaneously and 4 nozzles will spray at the same time. You may need it when spray for fruit trees. We will show you how to spray for fruit trees in the following videos. Okay, that's all for today. Any comments, please email us by ge@geuav.com. See you next time.